Hello, everyone. This is Joanne here from Coast to Coast with Joanne. We are at the end of April 2026, and just this past week, there have been many reports of a sighting of a bull shark in Lake Cocibolca, also known as Lake Nicaragua. No. Whenever people hear the words shark and lake, they often have this reaction. What? There are sharks in the lakes of Nicaragua? But the truth is, this is not a news story at all. Lake Nicaragua was once very famous for having freshwater sharks. It is a story that goes back a long time. For those of you who are new to Nicaragua, Lake Cocibolca or Lake Nicaragua is the largest lake in Central America. And beyond all comprehension, sharks made their way into this lake. For years, people thought that this shark was indigenous to Nicaragua and it was only found in Nicaragua, and it was actually called the Nicaraguan shark. Over time, scientists have found that these are actually bull sharks, the same bull sharks that are found in oceans all around the world. These bull sharks, unlike any other type of shark in the world, they have the ability to live in both saltwater and freshwater. Bull sharks come into Lake Nicaragua or Lake Cocibolca from the Caribbean Sea. Now, they come up the Rio San Juan, and if you have watched my other videos, you'll know that I once paddled the entire Rio San Juan, and it took me 6 days, but this is flowing with the river. These sharks are coming the other direction against the movement of the water. So they swim from the Caribbean Sea up the Rio San Juan to Lake Nicaragua. That is a very long and hard journey for a shark. And most sharks could never survive that. And the transition between the saltwater and the freshwater would be impossible for every other species of sharks. But bull sharks are different. The bull shark's kidneys and internal systems are able to regulate salt water, allowing them to adapt as they move between one body of water to another, like from a saltwater body to a freshwater body. And Nicaragua is not the only place this happens. Bull sharks have been spotted hundreds of miles up the Mississippi River in the United States. They also move inland in Australia in the river systems very regularly. And in Africa and parts of Asia, the same thing happens as well. So while the idea of sharks in a freshwater lake sounds shocking, it's actually quite normal. And this behavior is uniquely that of the bull shark. Now, this is super important to understand that people here are not living in fear of being attacked by a bull shark in Lake Nicaragua. Locals swim in the lake, people fish there, people take their boats on this water all the time. There are ferries that go back and forth between the mainland and Ometepe Island. There are people that live in the Solitanami archipelago that their lives are based around the water. So yeah, people are not in fear of being attacked by a bull shark. In fact, the population of bull sharks were once a lot more than they are today, but they have been fished out. And that's why when one sees a bull shark, it makes the news everywhere in Nicaragua. It's kind of a special sighting saying, yes, oh yes, that story that we heard about sharks being in Lake Nicaragua is actually true. And these sightings also remind us of how unique the Nicaraguan ecosystem truly is. So yes, just to wrap up, there are actually sharks in Lake Nicaragua. They travel from the Caribbean Sea up the Rio San Juan into the lake. They adapt biologically to fresh water, and they've been doing it for a very, very long time. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's actually just nature doing something very extraordinary. And honestly, it's one more reason why Nicaragua never stops surprising me. So if you liked this video, if you learned anything from it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you on the next one.